So if you go to YouTube and search, right, we just watch yesterday's video, which I uploaded, and you'll understand about different algos we have, and also you'll understand how to enable the strategy. Again, right, once you install the software, it is just a 2 minutes job to enable the algos. The algos will be tied to one laptop, right? You have to give a machine ID for your laptop, and we'll give license for that laptop. Then, but NinjaTrader personal account, you can access it from anywhere. But the algos will be installed on one laptop, and where it will be taking trades. These algos are not related to Apex trading firm, right? These algos can be used anywhere. Yeah, just because Apex is one of the top companies for proprietary prop firms, so we are suggesting to start with Apex. But once you make money on Apex, then you can also use your individual accounts and make a lot more money, because you don't even need to give the 10% also to Apex. All 100% will be your profits. You can connect, right? First thing is, you need to, your base platform is NinjaTrader. Once you have NinjaTrader, if you want, you can pay some additional fee to NinjaTrader, which is $99 per month, and you can connect to Thinkorswim or IBKR platforms. But you need to have NinjaTrader first, because all the algos, all the coding is developed on the NinjaTrader platform. Because most of these prop firms allow NinjaTrader as their brokerage platform. That's why we developed all the software on NinjaTrader. Right? Whenever you take this bot subscription, you will be part of a group. In that group, we'll share all the, right, from where you have to import the files, where you have to fill the Google form with your machine ID. So we don't send any software to your email. Already we shared the Google Drive. You have to just copy those files into your machine, and then the algos can be enabled. Yeah, the brokerage which you are seeing is NinjaTrader. Whatever you are seeing on the machine. Right, you have a stop loss, and you have a right, target profit, all those thing parameters. You can set a limit for your risk based on your risk tolerance. You can say that, okay, once it goes below this much.
Yeah, for this trade, I didn't set target stop loss. So just let the bot make the decision when to buy, when to sell.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. You cannot do right. NinjaTrader is mainly for futures, so you cannot do stocks on NinjaTrader platform. But you can connect it with Thinkorswim or IBKR, and you can do stocks on those platforms. Right, suddenly, right, the direction shifted, but immediately, right, for example, if it starts going down, then it will make the profits on the short, right? It's not that every trade you will make profit, but in the end of the day, end of the week, you will be in gains. We don't need to manually touch it anything, because suddenly it might go down, and again it may bounce back. So just we need to believe in the bot and just let the bot take the trades. Yeah, in Q 5 minutes, there is a short. Yeah, it is going down. Nasdaq is going down, and nearly it went down for 30, 40 points. Right? When NQ is going down, we can also buy puts, QQQ puts, right? Because NQ is nothing but Nasdaq. QQQ is the index for tech stocks or top 100 tech stocks. So whenever you see that RC sell on NQ, we can basically buy QQQ puts. So in addition, right, one way bot is making profits with futures. We can also buy puts, and that will make another $200-300 now. Or if you see on ES, if you see SL signal, you can buy puts for SPY. Or whenever you see a buy signal, you can buy calls for SPY. If you see buy here, right now it is going down. It already made 360, $400 profit, 405, 435. Right, if you enable all the parameters, fine, it will take it. No, this bot is mainly for futures or for stocks, but yeah, if you that options you have to do manually. Using this as an indicator, you can do it manually. And we have daily targets, right? For example, once you make $300 on NQ, close it, right? You don't need to worry on N to ES. You make $200 done for the day. For example, right, the user who is showing, he already completed $400 on NQ. Because market, what will happen is if you continue to do over trading, it will give the gains and take back all the gains. So sometime we can put, right, we put a daily target that okay, 300 on NQ, 200 on ES, 300 on crude oil, 200 on gold, every day $1,000. That is our target. When you make 300, just close the trade for the day or close the ticker for the day. So for example, now if you open ES chart, ES made nearly 150 to $200 in last 10 15 minutes. NQ made nearly $400. So you can see that, right, from 400 again it went back to 70 or 65. But generally, right, we also have some parameters where we can set a target profit. Once I make 400, just disable the bot for the day. NQ came all the way down and then suddenly bounced. NQ is so volatile, it will quickly move up and down. Kavita, if you just search on NQ, you will see NQ 1223, right? Just like you are seeing ES 1223, in the same way you will see, and just search on NQ. Yeah, you will have entire results, right? How much was right? How much it went up, down, all those things. Yeah, for the closed trades. And you have a right. If you are using with Apex, you have a software called as Rhythmic. It will be watching whether you complete the target or such type of things. So, for example, right, already $100 on crude oil, $240 on NQ, 250. So maybe next few minutes will be right. ES short is also making now 325, 330 on NQ, 350. So already $500 is done, right? If you want, he can just right click and close the positions. If he's happy with $500 in 1 hour, just close it and done for the day. You focus on your primary job. You don't need to trade throughout the day, right? Because market generally will move up or move down, and then there will be a consolidation. There will be a choppy phase. Whenever it is choppy, not moving up or down, where we may make losses. But whenever there is, if it is uptrend or downtrend, we'll make nice gains. But whenever it is choppy, we'll have small losses. So when there is a movement, it made already $500, then just close and right, to focus on your main work. If we keep on running the bot throughout the day, right, you are making profits, and again with the choppy time zone, you are again giving back all those profits to the market. Yes, if we, right, for example, some users give a feedback like we want to see what the account number which we are using, we'll update that. Or if I see, right, someone said like, okay, I want to see the bands, Bollinger bands at the top and bottom, we updated it. So based on, right, we want to make it more and more easy for users so that they can easily take the trades, even if they want to do manually also, right? You have all the coloring there. From red, it turned to green. That means from bearish, it became bullish. Again, from green, it turned to red. That means from bullish, it became bearish. So if somebody want to take more trades manually also, they can do by looking at the colors. They can also manually take the more future contracts. They can add more quantity. Right, we'll see, uh, based on our subscribers request, we'll update and we'll give a new version. It's nearly $110 on crude oil short. And Q will come down again. They are trying to bring it back, but yeah, whenever there is an update, we'll share the updated software to all the users, to all the subscribers. Yeah, you need to fill the Google form and provide your machine ID to give you the access for the bots. Once we provide the license, there is a Google Drive where you will have all the files located. You can just import the software and you can start enabling the strategy. Yeah, Madhu, maybe you might have not enabled, right? You have to click on the enable algo. Otherwise, you won't see the buy and sell activity. So you have to make sure you are enabling it. Then it will. Rahul, you can watch all the videos. So again, it is everything is self-explanatory. In the Excel sheet, you have a step-by-step approach, what you need to do. And also we have troubleshooting calls every day in case if you cannot follow those steps. Uh, then we will help you to set up your algos on your machine. You go to YouTube and search for Right Choice Advisors, and then you'll see all the videos, all the live videos which we did in last 2 weeks. Kavita, just if you search on NQ, then it will show you NQ 1223. Madhu, make sure your rhythmic is on, right? Your rhythmic should be on, and you should have a green color in the Ninja Control Center. If your rhythmic is off, then it will not take the trades. This is a different service. This doesn't come with RCA options or anything. Yeah, we are following 5 minutes Aikanashi because there is a lot of volume. So if you are in 2 minute or 1 minute, there will be too many ups and downs, and it will be taking too many trades. Overall, we may see further drop in NQ and ES. So we are yeah, when you are in a higher time frame, it will take limited trades and it will follow the trend. We may see again going back to 14775 NQ going back, and again it may bounce back. But as of now, uh, yeah, it seems like it will drop again. Yeah, you can also do 3 minutes Aikanashi on yeah, with the current volume. 3 minute or 5 minutes should be fine. Once a form is sent with machine ID, you can write. So user is using V4. On the V6 version, we have those max daily profit, max daily loss. So because we are using V4, it did not write once NQ made 300 or $400, it did not automatically close. We have to manually close using Prism V4. In the Prism V6, we have that feature. But anyway, we'll see NQ dropping now, and that one again changed to $300-400 profit again. Yes, also I think it will take a shot now because it should touch the lower band first before going to the top. It will touch the lower band and again go to the top. Crude oil nearly $200 profit done. So just if we stick to the daily target, already NQ $400 done or $300 done, ES $200 done, on crude oil nearly $200 done. If we enable GC, another $200 done on GC also. So just we have to use those time frames parameters and just stick to that, and then we'll yeah, make nice gains every day. The 10Q also will turn to profits now. So 250. So if you are happy with 250, you can close crude oil, or 280 is done, 290. Yet again, you can take same profits can be made on your individual account, right? If you want individual or prop, whatever it is, you can use that account number. The algos work in the same way, whether you use individual account or prop accounts. Yeah, on NQ and ES, we already made gains, but we did not close just for the sake of demo purpose. We kept it enabled, but otherwise we would have made our daily target already in first 15 minutes. Still, NQ has a potential to go down. The bot is still in the sell position. But even though there is a little bounce up, it is not a confirmation that it is still going up. So it is still waiting to take a buy, because still there is a tough fight between bulls and bears. Bulls are trying to bring it down. Bulls are trying to take it up. Bears are again trying to bring it down. So overall, still market is in the bearish direction. So the algo is also not closing the short at for NQ. Yeah, you can do, right. You can define a target profit. Once NQ makes 5 points or 10 points, I want to take profit. You can also do that. You can have stop loss. You can have target profit. You can add quantity if you want. Instead of one contract, you want to go with two contracts or three contracts. You can do all those things. So now NQ is back in profits now. Until now it was red. It will turn to green. It may go to $200 to $300 profit. 220, 240.
Yeah, I closed the CL position previously with the 340 profits.
No, nice. Now NQ also you can close with 300 $400 profit.
Yeah,
Yeah, NQ will go down to 14800 or more. Yeah, already it made 400 once, but oh, yeah, we did not close at that time. But this time again it will go down. And generally, we see, right, we get panic when we see something in red, but we have to just trust the bot. Bot will do a long or short based on the price action. Then, yeah, it will change the direction whenever it feels appropriate. It was still seeing that there is still more selling volume than buying, so it did not close the short. It just kept on to the short, and now you can see that it turned into, right, from minus 200 or something. Now it is plus 200.
Order filled.
So now it is more than 275. But if you got puts, it would have made another $300-400 with some 10 contracts. As I said, it did not touch the upper band, so it went till the middle, and again it is coming down. So $325 on NQ. If he's happy with another $300 with NQ, you can just close it. So 300 with CL done, 300 with NQ done. ES will give another $200. GC might give another $200 in some time. And if you want, you can open 10, 20, 30 different charts at the same time. Algo will be working on 30 different tickers, right? If NQ is going down, then your Russell, Dow Jones, EMD, all those also will go down. But we cannot manually look at 10, 20 different charts at the same time. But with Algos, they can look at 20 different charts. If you have 20 Apex accounts, it will look at 20 different charts. Each account, each Apex account, you can connect with the same algo, and then it will be basically making profits, right? If you made 200 with NQ, you will make $100 with ES, $100 with RTY, $100 with YM. So at same time, it can do multitasking, right? Manually, we can maximum look at one or two charts, three charts, and we get panic whenever we see that it is turning red. We get immediately panic, right? Now you will see that NQ will turn to 300 to $400 profit. So it's nearly 435, 455, right? If you're happy with 455, you can, right? Again, it may go further down, but why to take a risk? You can just, if you want, you can manually close it. You are done with another $400 profit, right? Crude oil, you already made 300.
I
Hmm.
do QQQ puts also, for sure.
Oh, cool. How much you made?
So far, I took only 5 contracts. So far, I have $150.
Okay, cool. You can take profits because it touched the bottom band, right? Again, there is a potential. You can close NQ, and also you can close QQQ puts because it touched the bottom band, and if it may reverse now.
Okay.
That again, bot will do it, but because we are just before the system, we are closing it manually. Otherwise, we can let bot close it. Right, again, just sticking to our daily target profit. We already made our daily target is $300 with NQ, 300 with CL. We already crossed above that. And also by looking at the indicator, right, it touched the bottom band and again it is trying to jump up. So there is a possibility that bot will, right after candle close, bot will take a close the short and it will take a long at the time. Again, you make money on the long. Same thing, yes, also you can take profits. In some time, gold also will move into profits because it is already oversold. It will start going up. So the gold long also should turn into positive. And now, if you see that red turning to green, we can buy QQQ calls at the time, or we can buy NQ long, or we can sell QQQ puts, right? Or you can even buy NQ future options, option calls. So there are so many ways we can make money. If you understand how to use the algo, there are 10 to 20 different ways we can make money using one indicator or one chart. If NQ is moving up, ES will move up, RTY will move up, YM will move up, EMD will move up. We can make money on all those tickers. But we need to wait for the candle confirmation, right? Still, it is candle did not get closed. It only touched the bottom. And if we see a green candle, that is like a confirmation for the reversal. As of now, still it is trying to move up, but sellers are trying to bring it down. But most probably it will move up now. Right. You can use Spectrum or Spectrum V11 or Prism V6.
I'm another $150 away for the daily target. After that, I'm gonna close it.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, we'll make that $1,000 every day if we just stick to our targets. And then When we become greedy, then it will take the money back. But otherwise, if we just stick to our daily target, we can easily make it. Again, if you bought QQQ calls, you would have made another $100 now. Spy calls, QQQ calls, or IWM calls, or if you bought long position.
Order filled.
Yeah, about the QQQ calls and $50 profit.
So it will make another $200. Did you make 100 plus on QQQ calls now?
Yes.
QQQ is by, right, whatever calls you would have bought, you would have made up 100, $150. How much you made now?
110. I got only two contracts. So
Oh, okay. If you would have got 10 contracts, you would have made some $500, $600 now.
yeah.
So let me share like, so as I said, right, whenever you are bullish, you can either buy the calls or you can even sell the puts, right? For example, I sold the puts. Now I made $830. I just sold 15 puts and I made $800 in just last 2 3 minutes. So that is the potential, right? Every, yeah, you can share your screen again. Yeah, once you see the opposite side signal, again you close the calls, right? Now already calls made more than 100% or more.
Order filled.
Yeah, I cost 200 now. Just sold.
Yeah, just with two contracts. If you would have bought 10 calls, you would have made $1,000 plus. Yeah, because it touched the upper band. Right now, you can just take the profits because again, it might reverse. Right? Or you take out 80% and just keep 20% so that you are just playing with your profits, not right. You are risking your capital.
Order filled.
Just yeah, I made $900 plus in just with one alert. Right? It can make more, but yeah, I am happy with $900 in 5-10 minutes. That's it, right? If you understand, it went up, coming down, you buy puts. It came down, that's the lower band, going up, buy the calls. And again, when you see it touched and started slowly forming a red candle, then again buy the puts. Right? That is again your bots are making money with futures. Already he made over $700-800.
Oh, I just crossed 1,000. So
Yeah, awesome. Super. Right, we'll do troubleshooting session in the evening. If you are not seeing like right, basically everything right. That's why I'm not sharing my screen. I'm asking every day one member to share their screen. We are enabling on them so that you all know that okay, they are members like you. Yeah, right. They are not my friends or anything. They have the same algo, same strategies. They are using the same parameters. Right. At the end of the market, we'll do troubleshooting session. If some of you are not seeing the same profits like whatever one, right our member is seeing, then we'll see your settings and right whether you might have some problem with the rhythmic and ninja connection, or you might have parameters. There might be some problem. Yeah, both the Spectrum and Prism, they are the scalping algos. So both are good for scalping. So you can see, right, he's using Prism before. He made $1,000 in right less than 1 hour. That is just with futures, right? And then with options, he made another $200-300. No, we do these live sessions until our new users get some confidence or get right, understand how to do this. Because there are 50-60 members who are making this $1,000 plus every day, but still there are some users who are right not able to get the logic. It is simple. Just we have to use the enable the algo. We should not manually intervene. Right. We should not use our thought process, our right, our thinking, and try to tweak the algos or do something. Just let the algo do its job, right? NQ, you saw the example, right? It was showing loss, but he did not touch it. Then it made nearly $400 plus profit. We should let algo do its job, right? Because it can do much better than what we can do as a manual traders. So now on the long again, it is making money. It made 163, another $300 plus. Right on the short, it made 400. Now on the NQ long, it made another $300 plus. So again, if he's happy with 360, another 400 is done. 200 plus 200. He can right close it. So generally 300 is our target, but already just with NQ he made $1,000. Nick, if you are in the paid channel already, you have Google Drive access. You can just go and take the files from the Google Drive. Right? Everything is already there in the Excel step-by-step approach. Just you have to follow the steps. Light green represent it is turning to bullish, right? Mild bullish. Dark green means it is like yeah, complete bullish. Light red means mild bearish. Dark red means completely bullish.
I close all my open positions. I just one GC which is in loss. Probably I'll close that as well because I well over $1,400 today.
Oh, awesome, cool. Yeah, even GC also will move to profits in some time. But yeah, if you want, you can just close and you can focus on your primary job. Just that first half an hour, 1 hour is good enough, right? If you are holding calls, still holding calls, right? 80% you might have closed it. Another 20% if you are holding, it is more than 100%, 150% up now.
I'll close it. I got to go for a meeting.
Yeah, sure. Please go ahead and thanks for sharing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me
Order filled.
let me share the steps if somebody want to be part of the channel. Yeah, calls are making huge money. QQQ calls. And this is not just today, right? Every day we are making this. Every day we are going to live session. Every day we are using one user or other. Right now, gold also is in profits. Gold also moving up, GC, and that also turned to profits. Okay. Yeah. So again, if you want micros, even 3K to 5K is good enough. If you want to try with minis, you need 15K in your personal accounts. So right, you have both the options. You can use with the prop firms where you don't need to put any money, or you can go with your personal accounts. QQQ is NQ, right? NQ is in futures, QQQ is in options or stocks. ES and SPY, they are correlated. So if you see buy on ES, then you buy SPY option calls. When you see sell, you buy option puts. So the calls you bought made nearly 200% returns now, because there was a huge bounce up on the NQ, and the calls made huge returns. Or if you sold puts also, you made huge gains. So that's it. So right, just with options, it made another $1,000. Webull will not work. You need to open Ninja Trader. Yeah, you can put a target profit. You can put a stop loss. All those things are available. Uh, yeah, Prism is good. Prism V4 and Spectrum both are very good scalping algos. Yeah, cool. Thanks everyone. And close your calls, because again it went to the top and again it might reverse. Right, again we can buy puts and start making money. But yeah, right, and let's go ahead and focus on making more money. Mm. We'll be doing live sessions. We'll do a troubleshooting session after market hours. So if anyone did not make those profits with the same settings, then we'll see like if you entered any wrong parameter or something. Yeah, time is over now, right? Again, because market will become choppy, right? This is the time we have to stop it. Otherwise, whatever profits we made, we'll lose now. That is the key, right? If we try to, because it made 1,000, 1,500 in 1 hour, if we try to run it throughout the day, we'll be negative 1,000. We have to see like where volume is good. We have to run the algos in the right time. If we run them throughout the day, we'll basically lose everything. We'll be in the negative. Yeah. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day, and we'll yeah we'll again have a session at 3 p.m. For the troubleshooting.